Hi guys, Jonathan the Gamer here. This truck is the new car. It comes stock with dually. It is 500 gold, $25,000. Make sure you go check it out in the dealership. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So this is a part 2 of my first video, which got a whopping 3,000 views. I made the video almost a month ago. Sorry for not making any uploads. And anyway, we're going to be using this truck. Anyway, what you're going to want to do is single player or multiplayer. I'm going to do a single. You're going to go to custom maps. Then you're going to click all. You're going to search Mo Money. Exactly how I spell it here. And then you're going to look for the one that says Mason Polaire. You're going to play it. It is relatively close to the old one, or the first one. Now you're going to want to bring a vehicle that's a little lifted for this part, because to get up here, you have to go up here. Either that, or you could go to the side over here and get up, but you're still gonna need a truck that's somewhat lifted, or a car. I'm here in a truck. Anyway, the records will never be set, and they will never hold a record holder. Anyway, so when you get to the end of this, you are going to receive 20 gold and $2,000. It's the exact same as last time. We're gonna go there and back just to make sure. Anyway, as you can see, this car is fully upgraded and it's pretty fast. I've not tuned it, it's still automatic. And pretty much that's it about this truck. It is diesel swapped, but it does not roll coal as well. So, award level gold, $2,000, 20 gold, 40 XP. I'm not sure if the XP works or not. Most people in the last video in the comment section said it did work. Others said it did not work. Let me know what happened for you. For me, it relatively doesn't work that much. So let's quickly get over there. Anyway, in the later part, we are going, when this video hits 2,000 views, and our goal is going to be for 200 likes on this video. Let's see if we could get there. Another gold, 20 gold, 40 XP, $2,000. Anyway, if that happens, and majority of you that watch my videos, or 98% of you guys, are not subscribed, so make sure you guys subscribe. And more will be on this down here in another video. Anyway, let's get back. Anyway, when we get here, most likely there's going to be an ad. So I'll see you when we get back. We are back. And as you can see, I have an extra 40 gold, an extra $4,000. And yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out all my other videos on my channel. More off-road outlaws will be soon. And bye.